Hi everyone, welcome back to OV Crochets. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this cute and beginner-friendly drawstring crossbody bag, step by step. Let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot and make 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 11. Skip the first chain from the hook and make a single crochet in every chain until the end. And totally we'll have a 10 single crochet at the end. For row 2, make a 1 chain, turn our work. In every chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. And the last one is here, 10. Make a single crochet, 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, the number of chains at the beginning of change. Okay? Now, the next row, row 3. Again, in every stitches, making single crochets. By making single crochets in every stitches. I've done, actually, this is about 18 centimeters and it's 32 rows, but it depends on your yarn, and 18 centimeter is good. Now for the we're working around the this rectangle. 1 chain, look, insert the hook here into the edge of this row and mark, look, this is our first make a 1 single crochet and mark the first single crochet, and we continue, look, like this, making single crochets. We continue until reach to the corner. When you reach to the corner, make a, look, this is our corner, make a 2 single crochet in same and keep continue into the next corner, and here again in the corners making, look, single crochets. After making 2 single crochet in this corner, now we'll continue, look, on the opposite side of the edge and making single crochet until the where we started. Okay, make it. Okay, I finished the working, and now here I'm going to wear that I marked and making 1 slip stitches. Look. Now we're going to work on the base of our bag. Now for the body of our bag, making 2 chains, 1, 2, look, here into the same, making 1 double crochets. We're going to mark stitch. Next, I'm making double crochets into the stitches after what? Into the in each stitch all the way around until we back where we've started. Okay, making double crochets. Look here, I've done slip stitches on the top of the first double crochets. Look. Again, 2 chains, 1, 2, into the same stitch, make a 1 double crochet, mark it, and continue making double crochets in each stitches, and at the end join with a slip stitch on the top of the first double crochets. And again, now again at the end of the row, join with a slip stitch. Look, we've now done 2 rows of the body. Yes, and we want to do the body about 17 centimeters. Okay, next, after, look, just repeat the rows until you reach the body to 17 centimeters. Then we're going to work on the mesh pattern. So make it. I've done totally about 17 centimeters. Next, we're going to work on the mesh pattern. To start the mesh pattern, look, 1, 2, chain 4, 3, and 4. And consider as a 1 stitch. Skip, look, the next stitch and going on the next stitch, making 1 double crochets, 1 chain, skip, next, and the next 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 skip, and on top of the next, making double crochets like this. So this is the mesh pattern, and we will work the way around our top of our back. I've done. Now I'm going into the third chain. Look, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitches, 2 chains on top of the first double crochet. Look here, making 1 double crochet and make it double crochet into the space, top of the double crochets, 1 double crochet into the space, 1 double crochet all the way around our back, 1, top of the 1, into the, at the end make a slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet. Now for 2 next rows, just make a double crochets on top of every stitches. Look, make 3 chains, making double crochets on top of every stitches. Into the third chain, make a slip stitches, 1 chain, cut our yarn, and we're going to hide these extra yarns. And Now working on our drawstring. Okay. For drawstring, make a slip knot. Then make a chains. 1, 2. So how many chains? Okay. How many chains? Chains that actually make a chains around. Look, make a chains around the bag and still have a little bit left at the end. Okay, chain 2. So look around my bag and have a little bit left at the end. Okay, and then cut the yarn. Make one more exactly in same length. Now we're ready to weave them through our bag. Yes, get one of them with a needle. Look here, from the side of our bag. Start and over, under each double crochet. Over, under, over, under, over, over, under, over, under. Now we connect, look, these two together with a knot as close as to the slip knot. So we knot as close as to the slip knot as possible. So, and for the other side, we start from here again. Look, again from here. This is the side. Look, over, under, over, under, over, under, again around our back until we reach to the same point. I'm at the same point and to the slip knot as possible. Mm. Adjust. Okay, and now for the back strip, I'm using two yarn together, make a slip knot, back strap, and I'll chain 2, 3. The lengths that you need, you can make a chains. For me, about 104 centimeter is enough. The number of chains depending on how you like to wear your bag. Chain as you want. I made and cut the yarn. Now we are going to attach the bag strap to the inside of the bag. Look here, from the side. Look, this side. Look, we're going to attach by making double knots. For the other side, under these two strips. Yeah, I'm going to attach it by making knots. And hide the extra yarns.
And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumb up, subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting! Bye!